Oh, poor Slash. There goes the RPM bumper. And the Castle 8S ESC is kind of just chilling where the front bumper used to be. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Must Have Wheels. So we're out on location today at a different bash spot than usual. It's one of our 3 favorite bash spots in our area. I got the 3 trucks out today. This one here you probably have never seen before. It's a pretty cool truck. It started off as a Senton. It ended up as a Truggified Typhon, but I'm still running the short course body until I absolutely kill it. And then we'll go something with like an open wheelbase. This thing's gone through so many changes since I've owned it. But yeah, I mean, it's a pretty solid truck. M2C lightweight chassis. Typhon shocks and springs. Typhon control arms, kraton hubs. Rocket 2050 kV motor. And a Castle Mamba Monster 2. I'm still running the stock Arrma servo. It's pretty good in this truck because it's this pretty small, light truck compared to the bigger 8 scale stuff and 7 scale stuff. I'm going to throw a 6S pack in here, and we're going to do some bashing over here in the gravel pit, and I got the ramp coming out as well. Alright guys, we're set up. We got the ramp going on over there. Hoping to get a good run on the concrete. Starting from here, get a good run straight down. See how that goes. Let me bring this thing over. So I'm not sure how long this thing's gonna last. These tires are all torn up and stuff. But that's okay. I kind of want to finish this thing off the way it sits right now so that I can finish the conversion. I eventually want to convert all the control arms and drive shafts to Mojave and get some bigger tires on here to run an open wheelbase. What's there? A piece of ice? That's funny. All right. Don't know how this is going to work out, but okay. So I got the punch turned down on this thing because I was doing, this thing used to be GT car converted pretty much. It was slammed and I kind of set it up for a road course. So I got the punch control kind of holding this thing back from doing some stunts. I'm gonna have to go in there and put that punch up. Oh, I didn't have enough wheel speed to make that brake there in the air. It's okay, she took it. No, you're good. You clear the tree. I'll show you.
Think so?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh!
Even when I was walking here.
Wow. Thanks to the field now. Here's Andrew with the X-Max, the tow vehicle, towing the Slash 4x4. Look at this guy decked out, fresh body, fresh wheels and tires. Look at that, eh? And that's my old Slash.
That's your old Slash. NADA system now.
All right, we had to move the ramp over because apparently I was smacking the tree. I don't know how it's going to be lined up because it's like centered with that pole over there.
Trust this ramp with 5th scale things?
I do not.
Right.
I didn't even trust it with 8 scale things.
Let me hit it with the 5. That's what I would say.
I pulled the body clip through. Yeah, this body's done after today. It's already been shoe glued and drywall tape. And these short course bodies are like parachutes. Like you're up in the air, you're trying to do your thing, and that body is literally like a parachute. It just wants to hold it up there. It kind of counteracts your input. Makes it a bit harder to control in the air, but like I said, guys, it's probably the last run in this form. Oh, poor Slash. There goes the RPM bumper. And the Castle 8S ESC is kind of just chilling where the front bumper used to be. Oh no, this body was so nice. Like last week when I sold it to you. Oh, shh.
Oh, the ESC come loose?
Oh yeah.
Oh, sick. Bumper came loose too.
Oh man.
It's a multi-piece bumper now. Oh, yeah. Every motor bullet.
No. That body, oh my god. I know.
I have 4S that'll fit the Slash.
Oh my god. It didn't even survive the first 3S send.
We got it. It's one piece. 1.5 pieces.
This truck is the vessel for where parts to go when they need to die. So these wheels were on that Slash at one point. I'm just gonna destroy them on this. This body used to be on a drag Slash that I built, a 2-wheel drive drag Slash. And then Again, it's on here to die. So yeah, this is the fun truck. This is whatever happens truck. Oh, also the battery. This is my my puffy battery. This is the last run with this battery, and then it's going in the garbage.
I wonder if there's
I barely made that. I know. I was clenching that whole time while it was in the air. It felt like slow motion. Yo, give me a kick over there. I think that wheel's broken, eh? Look at the wobble in it. Well, I was wondering what I hit. That'll send it flying. Oh, and there's LVC.
I just ate one.
Sorry. All right. Okay, that was a decent run. I mean, I technically didn't break anything other than that body mount, which I kind of expected to happen anyways. So literally, like, I don't know, 5 for 5 at this point. The last 5 times I came out, I broke a body mount. So it is what it is. I'm gonna retire this setup, and next time you see this truck, it'll probably be in I guess you can call it buggy, truggy kind of form. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to see more on the Senton 6S or Truggified Senton, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. Thanks, guys. Till next time. I called it. That wheel's definitely busted.